You know that feeling when you walk into a room and no one looks up. You speak, but people cut you off. You leave feeling invisible. It's not about being loud. It's not about being rich. It's about respect. And here's the secret. Respect isn't given. It's triggered. Today, we're breaking down 7 simple psychology hacks that make people respect you. No manipulation, just pure human wiring. Meet Leo. Leo is a nice guy. He's smart, he's hardworking, but he's invisible. Why? Because Leo makes one big mistake. He tries to earn respect by being agreeable. He thinks if he never says no, people will like him. But when you chase approval, the human brain subconsciously labels you as low status. In the caveman days, the person who looked around nervously was the one who got eaten. Today, Leo installs an update. Let's watch what happens. Hack number 1, the pause. Most people are terrified of silence. They fill gaps with like, or nervous laughter. Leo speaks, then pauses for 2 seconds. That silence tells the brain, I am in control. It makes people wait for your words. Hack number 2, the broken record. Someone interrupts Leo. He doesn't raise his voice. He doesn't apologize. He simply continues talking at the same volume, looking them in the eye. It signals, what I have to say matters, and suddenly, people stop cutting him off. Hack 3, the head tilt. A slight head tilt shows curiosity. It signals, I am truly listening, I am not judging you. When people feel safe around you, they respect you, they trust you. Hack 4, the silent stare. Someone makes a rude joke. Leo doesn't laugh, he doesn't react. He just looks at them. No anger, just silence. That silence is a mirror. It reflects their behavior back at them. We hit the turning point, a big project. Leo is presenting, but Mark, the boss, tries to take over the meeting. He starts talking over Leo. Leo uses hack 6, the address. He says, Mark, I've got this. By saying his name, Leo establishes the frame. He's in charge of this room right now. Finally, hack 7, the nod. When Leo finishes speaking, he nods. That tiny gesture says, I'm done, that's final. If you nod, others feel confident in you. They mirror it. Mark respects it because Leo didn't whine or fight. He simply led. Respect isn't about being the loudest. It's about being the stillest. It's about pausing before you speak, holding your ground when you're interrupted, listening with your eyes. You don't have to change who you are. You just have to change the signals you send. Next time you're in a conversation, just pause for 3 seconds before you answer. Watch how the energy shifts.